Racing just started. We have Don Enrico. First to show quickness at the start. Moving upon the outside, Imperial Ballet. Unopposed down inside is Anonymous, while Bohemian Dave is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Don Enrico by about 2 lengths. Imperial Ballet in second. Anonymous is down in third. Running alongside Unopposed, while Bohemian Dave is the early trailer. Half-mile distance they traveled. We have Don Enrico by about 2 lengths. Imperial Ballet in second. 3 lengths further back. In third comes Unopposed. Anonymous is running by the rail, while Bohemian Dave is running at the tail of the field. And at the fourth turn, we have Don Enrico by about half length. Imperial Ballet still in second. Unopposed is down in third. Then comes Anonymous, and Bohemian Dave is running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. We have Don Enrico moving upon the outside. Imperial Ballet with about 150 meters more to run. We have Don Enrico followed by Imperial Ballet in second, and finally it's Don Enrico, Imperial Ballet. Then comes